Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down everyday gadgets to see if they're actually worth your money. Today, we're checking out something surprisingly practical: the 2PC's Retractable Tether for remote control by Bemoauty. If you've ever lost a TV remote, or live with people who think remotes belong everywhere except where you left them, this little device might just save your sanity. Let's start with what this product actually is. Inside the box, you get 2 retractable tethers, 4 replacement adhesive patches, and 2 small hex wrenches. Everything is lightweight, neatly packed, and ready to install right out of the package. The tether units themselves are made from a durable plastic shell, and inside is a steel core cable that extends up to 6.5 feet. That means you can sit back comfortably on the couch without feeling tied down, but your remote always snaps back home when you're done. Now let's talk installation. It's simple. Each tether uses a strong adhesive pad on both the remote and the mounting point. Peel the backing, stick it to a smooth, clean surface, press firmly, and then give it a few hours to bond. Once that sets, your remote is officially on a leash, literally. There's also a locking clasp on the cable itself, letting you adjust the exact length you want. Whether you're attaching it to a coffee table, wall, side of a recliner, or even a showroom display, you get full control over how far the remote can travel. The build quality is better than you might expect for such a small accessory. The housing feels solid, and the retractable mechanism glides smoothly without that cheap clicking sound you get from low-end badge reels. The steel core cable adds durability, so even with daily pulls, it doesn't fray or lose tension. It's designed to handle remotes, small controllers, and even lightweight devices like tablets in office or showroom setups. Using it is surprisingly natural. Pull the remote, use it normally, and when you set it down, the tension gently pulls it right back. It's not aggressive, so it won't yank the remote out of your hand, but it's strong enough to prevent the remote from wandering off under cushions or disappearing across the room. Whether you're in a busy household, an office, an Airbnb, or anywhere items tend to vanish, this keeps everything where it belongs. One thing I really like is its versatility. Even though it's marketed for TV remotes, you can stick it onto almost anything lightweight that tends to go missing: garage door openers, AC remotes, presentation clickers, small tools, and more. It works on both flat and slightly curved surfaces, and the adhesive patches are replaceable if you want to move the setup later. For a product so simple, it solves a very real frustration. It's not flashy, but it's extremely practical. The lightweight build, adjustable length, secure adhesive, and smooth retraction make it a smart little upgrade for any living room or workplace. If you're someone who's constantly hunting for remotes, or you manage a space where items need to stay put, this is one of those low-cost accessories that just makes life easier. So, is the Bemoauty retractable remote-controlled tether worth it? Absolutely. It's durable, easy to use, cleverly designed, and solves a problem almost everyone deals with. For the price, getting 2 of them in a pack makes it an even better value. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what product you want to see next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.